Hey guys, so last week I went shopping and on my list I had to include some of my fall favorites: sweet potatoes, squash, zucchini, all the main ingredients of a fall cozy meal that I plan to use for my crock pot meals. And don't worry, I will put all the recipes that I'm trying this week into my description box because I think you're gonna like how some of these look. I definitely liked how they taste, and more importantly, my taste tester, my husband, he liked it too. And how could I forget onions and bell peppers, apples, apple cider? I got the sparkling apple cider. But first, my first try was something called sweet potato and black bean chili. Now, I had never heard of this, so I wanted to try it because I loved all of the ingredients. It is considered vegan, I guess, because there is no dairy products in this, and there are no milk, anything like that involved in it. No meat as well. So this would be something that if you're staying away from meat for a while, you can attempt this. And y'all, it was actually kind of pretty good. But it consists of sweet potatoes, onions, black beans. You'll see. So while waiting for that to cook for the next 6 hours, I decided to make my next meal, which was going to be chicken tacos or similar. It used chicken breast and taco seasoning, diced tomatoes, and you're also supposed to cook it on low for 6 hours. I love the setup in my kitchen. It's really putting me in the mood for this fall vibe of cooking in the crock pot. Whew. Don't that sweet potato chili looks good? Oh, wee. Now, this is the chicken. It's cooked for about 2 hours now, and I just decided to go in and stir it just to see how it was coming along, and it came along just fine. Yum. As I'm plating this up, I can't help but think how simple, easy, quick this meal was. I'm about to have some flavored chicken breast with a sweet potato chili, and that's a full, complete meal. These two can easily stand alone. They don't have to be served together. What a great idea. Even the next morning, I was able to enjoy my coffee with some leftover sweet potato chili. Yum. Even though we had leftovers from the other day, I decided to freeze that for another day. And today I wanted to try a squash and zucchini casserole. Of course, by means of the crock pot. What an easy way to go. So we absolutely love squash over here. And this zucchini and squash casserole, when I read the recipe, it sounded wonderful. Shredded cheese, breadcrumbs. So if you are not doing any dairy or meat or what have you, then you may want to find an alternative for the shredded cheese. But to me, if you like cheese, definitely add cheese. And the onions really did help to set it off. Make sure you season it well enough for you and your family, but do not over season it. And of course, I'll have the recipe in the description box, but this recipe right here is definitely one for my books for me to continue to try again over and over and over and over, because you simply put it in there and leave it for 4 hours until all the veggies are tender. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. Yum. Now this the type of fall feeling I like right here. I just had to throw in a clip of me fulfilling one of my other fall goals, manual bike riding. Woo, I have not rode a bike in so long, but when I tell you it was really, really fun, it was fun. And it's true, you don't forget how to ride a bike. Until next time, you guys, enjoy your day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Happy crock pot cooking. Bye.